Hello, I'm back for 3D Studio Max car modeling tutorial. So where we left off is we actually finished the side view mirrors and all that. So for today we're going to be doing the back lights. So I want to make sure I have all my images. Looks like I do. And this is what we're going to be doing, the backlights right here for today. So I'm just going to go into here and go in isolation. So I'm going to take this and this, and I'm just going to go into here and go object properties, lower down the opacity like that, go front. Actually, I might actually go into here and I might select this, and I might actually go into edge, select mode right there, and select this. And select this right here. And select this right here, I think. And now I'm going to go into edge, and I'm going to create shape from edge, and I'm going to choose linear, and I'm going to call this like lights. Go out of there, go into here, select that, and I'm just going to go into here. And I'm just gonna go into here, and first of all I'm going to go cap hole. No, go out of there. Actually, I'm gonna actually go into here, and I'm gonna go hit extrude. So I'm going to bring this down to 0.01 like that. And I'm just going to go into here and go collapse to like that. And just go into here, and I'm going to convert that to editable poly. Go into edge select mode. And now I'm just going to go world, scale, actually I might go out of that, and I might actually increase that more, a little bit up like this, like that. And now I'm just going to go collapse to, and convert this to editable poly, convert that to editable poly. And now I'm just going to go into border right here, go front, select that, and I'm just going to hit loop like that. Bring this down more right about here. And now I'm just gonna go extrude like this and extrude that out more like that. And I'm just gonna move this. Like that. Actually, I'm gonna go into here. Like this. And just like that. Delete. 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 And I'm just gonna go into here. Move that up like there. Just going out of here, select that, go, remove that, edit, gonna move that right about there, and move this out more like that. Move that right about there. Move that right about there. Move this up like this. Like that. Go top view right here. And I'm gonna select this. Move that right about there. Like that. Go left view. And we're just gonna select this right here. Move this right about here. And now I'm just gonna select this. And I'm gonna select these edges right here. Sorry if I've been a little bit too quiet, I think. So I'm just gonna go into here. I'm gonna hit extrude. So now I'm just gonna go into here. 0, 0, like that. Check mark that. And now I'm just gonna move that right about there. Go into right click, scale. And I'm just gonna move that. Scale that. So we have that. And now we're just going to take this, go into here, and we're just going to hit weld right there. And this as well, we're going to hit weld. Gonna move this right about there. And we're gonna move that out more like that. Go into side. Move this out like there. Like that. So kind of like that right there. Move this out like that. Just gonna go left right here. Like that. Like that. Move that out like this. Swift loop. Actually, I'm just going to go into here and I'm going to select this entire thing. And I'm just going to hit weld right there to weld all unwanted vertices. Now I'm just going to hit swift loop. Actually, I want to make sure I go into here. Actually, I'm just going to go into here and flip normals. That's why the swift loop wouldn't work. So now I'm going to go into here. Add a swift loop right here, right here, and right here. And I'm just going to go into here, go into edge select mode, and just go loop. And I just want to go into here and go constrain along edge, and I'm going to straighten this out like that. And do the exact same things for these. Straighten that out. loop, straighten that out. The blueprint is not going to be the most accurate representation, but I'm going to try to give it a try. So now I'm just going to go right click, move, and move. So loop, forgot to take off edge constraint, turn off edge constraint. So I'm going to move that right about there. Put on edge constraint again. Move that right about there. Move that kind of right there. That's facing like that. Like that. And now I'm just going to go loop. Front. Move this right about there. That's facing right about there. And now we're just going to hit edge constraint right here. Move this right up here. We're going to move that right about there. Loop. Edge constraint. Move that right about there. And now I'm just going to go into turn off edge constraint right there. Move that right about there. Move that so that is facing right there. So now I'm going to do another loop cut right about there. Like that. Go into edge constraint scale. Like that. And I'm just going to move this right about there. Move this right about there. Like that. And I'm just going to go target weld right here. Right here. Left view. Take off constraint mode. Move this right about there. Like that. Right here. So we have that set in place right there. So we have the basis for the light already set in place. So now what we had to do is we had to kind of like extrude this in and do this piece right about here. So now I'm just going to go into border right here. But first I'm going to go into all these vertices. I'm going to select this entire thing. And I'm going to hit the weld button to make sure all vertices are weld. Now I'm just going to go into edge right here. So now I'm just going to hit extrude. Like that. Make sure that edge constraint is off. And I'm going to move that right about there. Like that. So we have that already set in place. We're going to go into here and we're going to go isolate vertex. And then I'm just going to go into here. Delete. Delete. So we have that already set in place. Now we're going to go into border right here. Now we're just going to go into here, scale, and we're going to scale that to straighten that out, right about there. And now I'm just going to go into here, move, and move that right about there. And there. And now I'm just going to select this, select all of these, delete. So we have that light piece done, and I'm just going to straighten this out a bit. So I guess that's it for part of this tutorial. I hope you enjoy, and I hope I've helped you out a lot.